The HUBA differential pressure sensor is an essential component in oxygenate ventilation systems, providing critical data for airflow monitoring and system control. It measures two key parameters. First, the pressure drop across filters, which helps determine when they are clogged and need replacement. Second, the differential pressure across fans, allowing for the calculation of airflow in cubic feet per minute, which is critical for maintaining proper ventilation and system efficiency. In some Terra units, the HUBA also monitors core temperatures and interfaces with the recirculation damper, enabling additional control functions. The sensor communicates with the Distech control via Modbus, with support for up to 3 HUBAs per system. Through this connection, the controller connects real-time data and monitors sensor health, ensuring accurate and reliable operation. Proper wiring is essential to maintain accurate readings and system performance. Secure connections and correct configuration help ensure the sensor provides reliable data for ventilation control and diagnostics.